Have you ever felt anxious about TOEFL Speaking Task 4? You're not alone. This task requires skills you can master with practice. TOEFL Speaking Task 4 is about summarizing information. You will listen to a short lecture and summarize it in your own words. This task tests your listening, comprehension, and speaking abilities. Here's how the task works. First, you hear a lecture. It lasts about academic material, covering key points. Listen carefully. Then, you'll have 20 seconds to prepare. Use this time wisely. Next, you speak for 60 seconds. Focus on clarity and organization. Start with a brief introduction, then summarize the main ideas. Finish with a conclusion that wraps everything up neatly. A great way to remember is using bullet points. You can jot down keywords. This helps you stay focused during your response. For example, if the lecture is about climate change, note down carbon footprint and renewable energy. Then, in your response, mention these terms clearly. In summary, practice is key. Listen to recordings, summarize them, and speak. With each attempt, you'll improve confidence and clarity in your answers. Want to excel in TOEFL speaking? Check out our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.